Mini mine.
Wow, Mimi, look, a rainbow.
Ooh, so many colors!
Friends, let's learn all the rainbow colors together. First is red, like this apple.
Yummy red apple.
Say it with us, R-E-D, red.
Look, an orange butterfly.
Yes, orange. Can you flap your hands like wings?
O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. The sun is yellow, just like me.
That's right, yellow.
Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow.
Jump, jump. It's a green frog.
Ribbit, ribbit, green.
G-R-E-E-N, green.
The kite is blue.
And the big sky is blue too.
B-L-U-E, blue. Ooh, shiny indigo stars.
Indigo is a dark bluish color. So cool.
I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo.
Look, Mimi, a violet flower.
So pretty. Violet.
Violet, O-L-E-T, violet. Yay, we learned 7 colors today.
Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo. And violet.
Great job, friends.
Clap for yourself.
Bye-bye.